Welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Brandy Alexander. According to legend, this was one of John Lennon's favorite drinks, so I can't think of a better way to enjoy our Rubber Soul episode than with this drink. To start, we're going to chill our Martini glass and set it aside. Now we're going to take our cocktail shaker and fill it with ice cubes about halfway. Next, we're going to add an ounce of brandy, then an ounce of brown or dark creme de cacao, and finally an ounce of half and half. And now we shake. Now grab your chilled glass from before. We're gonna dump out this ice, and we're gonna pour the contents, make sure to keep it strained. Next, we're just gonna dust a little bit of nutmeg right on the top there. There you have Brandy Alexander. This is a great after dinner drink. If you're having people over, it makes a wonderful alternative to a traditional dessert. It's somewhat sweet, so be prepared. It may sneak up on you, but it's hard to have too many of these because they're just so darn rich. Thank you guys for watching. Check out our Rubber Soul episode if you haven't already, and be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.